Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use this Keenray juicer from Amazon, guys. All right. So just so you know, this is actually a pretty good juicer, but this here is the model. Let me just quickly turn this around. This here is the model. It's a Keenray slow juicer and safter. Whatever the fuck that means. Model is a EL18, alright, EL18. So, yeah, this is the juicer, Keenray EL18 from Amazon, guys, alright. And I'm just going to show you really quickly how to, assemble this juicer and how to make some quick apple juice. Not a part of the tutorial, but it's a part of how to use the actual machine. So, I mean, it kind of goes hand in hand. Let's just get this here out of the way. And by the way, this actually comes with this little container for the juice scraps to sort of fall into. But I'm not actually using that today because I actually have this over here for that. So all right. So first step, grab this part here, pop it in like that. Grab your little twisty, and you just grab this here. And you sort of push that in and push it until it sort of turns and twists. You'll know when it's in, and just make sure that that's tight and good. All right, grab this part here, pop that over the top, and then you're going to see that this has to twist in. So you just pop that in and just twist that in like that, and it'll sort of click in. All right. And this will come closed, so this releases the juice right there. So just pop that open. All right, and then all the juice scraps will come outside here. All right, and then they'll fall into this bucket, which I've prepared for it. And I've cut the juice pieces. I've cut the apple pieces into smaller parts, but apparently you can actually do a full apple in this machine. But me being me, I would prefer to just make sure that the machine stays looked after, and I don't want to put any more strain on the machine, so that I have cut the apple pieces into small quarters, and you can do halves. So, all right, let's just grab this machine. One more thing, by the way. One more thing. There's a switch here, right at the back. All right, this is on. All right, as you can see, this twists and it turns around clockwise. All right, to turn it off, you just simply pop it back down. And if you get stuck, if your juice goes through and then it stops, it gets a bit jammed in there, then you can press this here. This is the reversal. So this will make it turn anti-clockwise, just like this. You have to hold your finger on it. If you don't hold your finger on it, it'll just pop up. Okay, so you have to hold it down. All right. That's pretty much the basics, guys. All right, so let's just do this real quick. I'm going to make some apple juice real fast, and I'm gonna get this one out of the way real quick. Yeah, I had to get the cable out of the way. So all right, I've got my bucket here for the fruit to fall into, and I have my cup here for the juice. I've made sure that this is unblocked so that the juice can flow freely. And now I'm going to turn on my button in the back, just like this. And then I'm going to start putting my fruit in the top over here. And I'm going to drop it into there. And then the fruit is going to come through and out into this glass. And that will be how you use the juicer, all right? So let's just do this real quick. The machine is now on. I'm going to grab my apples, put it in like that, and it is going to crush it. As you can see, it's like that. The juice will start coming out here. We'll do a couple more pieces at a time, and we'll just drop that in. And the juice is coming out. It is filling up the glass. Gonna add a couple more pieces. Put that in there. If you start to fill up the glass, then you have this here to actually block it real fast. So you can actually do this and it'll stop the juice coming out. But it'll also stack up the machine. But if you need to quickly change your glass over, then you just want to just pop that in, grab your glass, swap it over, go back, and then pop your lid back up. Alright. We're going to do another last couple of pieces. And this is the fruit remains. It's quite dry. It's pretty good. See, there's no much residue on my hands from the apple, and yeah. So that's done, guys. That is done. That is the apple. There's the apple juice right here. It is nice and cold and icy. And I'm going to now turn off my machine at the back. And yeah, so let's pop this out real quick, and pop that open like that. Pull this out there, and yeah, that is what remains inside here. Not much there, and there's what remains inside here. Not too much. So yeah, I'll just end up washing this. So for washing, it's very simple. Use your common sense. And that's how you wash it. And yeah, this is the juice here, and yeah, it's quite nice. It's actually quite clear. I'm gonna give it a real quick test taste. Okay, so I'm tasting the juice on my terrible camera. Hang on, let me wipe my lens. Okay, let's give this juice a taste, guys. All right, let's give it a taste. The juice is very smooth. I don't feel any remains of the apple. It's a little bit frothy on the top, but that's normal. That is apple juice. But yeah, I don't taste anything that is you know, seedy or anything like that. It's very nice, very good. Very good, very nice. Okay, so yeah, that's the juicer. That's how to use it, and yeah, I hope you appreciated my tutorial. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. My bad. All right, bye.